Hey everyone, and welcome to AWS Trading. I appreciate you guys for taking the time and checking our video out. My name is Jonathan. I'm one of the co-founders of this channel, and the concept of today's video is to give you guys an idea of what trading is and how you can get started. All right, so hopefully you guys like it. Let us know in the comment below. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. What is trading? All right, trading is when you buy or sell an asset, such as stocks, options, ETFs, futures, right? And so it's all based on supply and demand, right? So if there's more buyers than there are sellers, the market will move up. If there's more sellers than there are buyers, the market will move down. So you would make an educated decision based on fundamentals and technical analysis in the market. That's what trading is, kind of in a nutshell, right? And the second question a lot of people ask is, why do people trade? And the reason why people trade is to diversify the stream of income, right? Is to reach that financial stability, over time by taking advantage of the market, based on price prediction. And also the ability of being able to trade from anywhere around the world. You can trade at any time depending on where you're at in the world, right? There's three main sessions that people trade. It's New York, Asian, and London. So for me, I trade New York session. You could be trading Asian session. You can trade London session. It just depends on what you're trading, what the commodity is. If you're trading, GBP, JPY, right? Then you would be trading a London session because you're gonna trade whatever session gives you the most volume, right? So since I trade the Dow Jones, which is the US 30, which is the top 30 companies in the United States, trade the New York session market open, right? So for me, I'm in Texas. That'll be at 8:30 in the morning. Eastern time in New York would be 9:30, but that's when the market is the most volatile, right? And that's the reason why people trade it, because you have the ability of trading anytime you want, anywhere in the world. All right, and so next thing we're gonna get into is what do you need to actually get started today, right? It's not a lot of things that you need. The people ask, what do you need? How much money do you need? Or what do you need to buy to get started? What do you need to have to get started? And in reality, you don't really need a lot, right? And so the best part about this is all you really need to get started today in trading is a phone. You don't need anything else. As long as you have internet, as I mentioned, you can trade anywhere from around the world, anytime, right? And all you need is this right here. You don't go nowhere without it, right? So it's right on your hip, right? You can just reach down, grab it, and start trading specifically from your phone, right? You can trade from your laptop, from your computer, wherever you're at, right? You can be at an airport, waiting to catch a flight. You can trade from right there. That's the best part about trading, is that you can do it from anywhere around the world, right? So here's a checklist that I made for you guys to make it simple as I can. All right, so here's your little trading checklist for you guys. So the first thing you need is either a cell phone or a computer. As I mentioned, you don't need much more than that. All you need is internet, and you can trade from anywhere around the world, right? The second thing you're gonna need is a broker, right? There are multiple brokers out there that you can choose from. I personally have traded with Athens. You're more than welcome to do your research, check into what broker fits your needs, where you feel more comfortable. So do your research on what broker you want to go with. I am not promoting Athens. I just specifically, that's the one that I've traded with, and I'm comfortable trading with. But you're more than welcome to use any broker you want, right? It's up to your discretion on what broker you use. You need a broker, obviously, to go ahead and trade whatever it is you're going to trade, or whatever commodity it is you're going to trade, or whatever options, whatever you're going to trade, you have a broker to actually make that trade, right? All right, so whichever broker you choose, it's up to you. Each broker charges a fee for using their service, right? They're helping you, they're providing you with the service for you to be able to trade that specific commodity or that specific asset that you want to trade, right? So, and it's not a big fee. It can be 10 cents. It's 20 cents. It varies depending on what you're trading. Here I have C payment options, because each broker that you choose from is going to have a specific way on how you can deposit your money into that broker, right? Once you put money into that broker, that gives you the opportunity now to go ahead and trade in the market industry, right? Now the next thing you're gonna need is how you're gonna make your market analysis, right? And one of the ones that everyone uses is TradingView, right? This is TradingView right here, right? You can sign up for free. You don't have to pay. They do have a membership you can pay for a year. It gives you more options and more alerts and things like that that you can use on TradingView. The idea behind TradingView is, like I said, you don't have to spend any money, and this is gonna help you, do your market analysis, right? This is, there's multiple time frames that you can choose from, right? This is a 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, right? You got the daily time frame. It all depends on what time frame you are trading, right? It all depends on what kind of trader you are. If you're gonna be trading all day, if you're gonna be a day trader, if you're trading only for 30 minutes, if you're a breakout trader, it just depends on what kind of trader you are, what strategies you use, and what you're looking for, right? Me myself personally, I'm a breakout trader, so I trade a lower time frame because I don't like being in the market all day. I like to get in, get out, and call it a day and go do my thing, go work out, go do things like that. So on TradingView, right, you can pick here exactly what it is that you want to trade. As I mentioned before, right, if you want to trade gold, you can trade gold, right? Those are commodities, right? Gold, silver, and metals, right? If you want to trade the Dow Jones, which is the US 30, right, the top 30 companies in the States. There's the NAS 100, right, which is the top 100 companies. You can trade Forex, which is GBP, JPY, and so on, right? You can trade, if you want to trade crypto, you can trade crypto. It's up to you what you want to trade, what you're more comfortable trading. And the one thing I do say is if you are going to pick a specific pair, or if you're going to trade an indice, which it would be NASDAQ, US 30, stick to that pair, understand it, back test it, become very well known with that pair, know how that pair moves, know what time that pair moves. Again, stick to that one trade. Don't go choosing gold and then go trade US 30 and then go trade NAS 100, because they don't all move the same. They're all going to move differently. They're all going to have a different volume. There's going to be trading at a specific time. So for example, like I said, I trade US 30. I'm trading the New York session because that is when it's the most volume in the market for US 30. For example, if you want to trade GBP, JPY, typically you'll trade London because that's when you'll see the most volume because of the euro, right? NAS 100, same thing, right? You can trade it in New York session. You can have the most volume in the market, and that's when you want to trade it because that's when you're going to get the most out of it. All right, and now we're going to go back to the checklist, see what else is next. All right, so we talked about TradingView. We've mentioned, as I mentioned to you earlier, you want to pick the best session that fits your needs. You want to pick the session that you're comfortable with. If you're working a 9 to 5, maybe New York session's not going to work for you. Then maybe you want to trade the Asian session, or maybe you want to trade the London session if you can. You just fit a session that's best for you, and it all depends again on what kind of trader you are. If you're trading all day, if you're trading half a day, if you're only trading the first 30 minutes of a market open, it all depends on what you're going to trade. So you need to find out what best fits your needs, what best fits you at the time. All right. Strategy, right? Strategy is important, right? You got to decide on what strategy you're going to choose. There's so many strategies out there. Don't get lost in that. There's so many people that are going to give you all kind of different strategies for you to choose from. Everybody trades different. It's really going to be, once you start trading, you're going to understand what strategy works best for you, right? There's support and resistance, right? You can trade that. There's breakout. There's supply and demand. There's breakout and a retest. Strategy, you're going to pick a strategy that best fits the way you trade, right? Everyone trades different. Everyone chooses different strategies. That's a lot more technical. We can get into that on the next video. I'm more of a breakout trader, so I am breaking out off of a support or off of a resistance. And so, those are the strategies that you're going to learn along the journey, right? You're going to be able to make a decision on which one best works for you. Strategy wise, we can get more into detail on that. This video, I just wanted to give you guys an idea again of what trading is, how to get started, right? You can get started today, right? All you need to do, like I said, you have a cell phone, you have internet. All you need to do is find a broker that best fits your needs, a broker that you're comfortable with. Do your research on the broker. Once you find a broker that you're comfortable with, you can go ahead and deposit money into that broker, and you're pretty much ready to start trading. Um, Download TradingView. You can download this. You can look at the market analysis. Look to see what you're interested in trading. With that being said, hopefully you guys like the video. Um, it's a quick little video and a little crash course, like I mentioned, what trading is. And hopefully you guys enjoyed it. There's more videos to come. We do have a Discord. I'll attach it to the bottom of this video. It'll be attached to the channel. It's free. You guys can join in that Discord. What we're doing is we're hoping to create a great community with great traders. We're going to have trade ideas. We're going to have live sessions. We can talk trades. We can talk anything you guys want to talk about, education wise, as far as trading. We can get more into detail about this trading. Once again, appreciate you guys for checking out our video. Until next time, peace.